In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting photos or albums. After locating all of your photos that you wish to delete, hold the chosen one and click on this square at the top right corner. To exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on them, and then to delete the rest, use this bin at the bottom in the middle. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!